Oh my god, it's a stingray. وينه 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 وينه؟ حية. لا ما بصدق. ما بصدق. Oh my god. يا حية يا حية يا حية يا حية. هالشط. Oh my god. This is crazy. هالقد healthy هون البحر. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is pure gorgeousness. بس من مين؟ هات لنشوف من مين. There we go. اوكي ما بعرف من مين بس بطيروا العقل. Thank you so much. Okay, this bouquet is so special to me. It came with a very special card. Happy birthday to the woman who keeps proving that dreams come true, that change is okay, and pushing boundaries is not scary. May you always be an inspiration. Joel Unfiltered team! Woohoo! Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love this. And this is another gorgeous, 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 gorgeous bouquet from the Flower Society. But this is from, actually, hang on. Khalil! K Consultancy. I love you, Khalil. I love you so much. And Inta, you know, like, how much I love peonies? Or was it just a guess? Was it a guess, Khalil, or did you know? Anyhow, thank you. I love you so much. A beautiful person, inside out, who doesn't wish... Sorry, who does nothing but the best. You are truly inspiration and an icon. Lots of love. Thank you so much. Love you. Is that your Bentley? دخيلكن أنا. دخيلكن أنا. دخيلكن. You're such a good driver. My God. Yeah. Why?
Because he wants my car.
Let him drive it, please. Because sharing is caring, remember?
Mommy.
Yeah, because you love him. That's why you call him your friend.
Sebastian will come.
Yeah, let him now drive it after you, okay?
He will catch me.
He will catch you? Did you tell him to catch you?
Mommy, look.
I know, I can see. You can't drive it into the water. Okay, my angel. بحب هاي الأوكي مامي بموت فيها. هاي الأوكي مامي بعشقها أنا. But here it will not go because the sand is wet. See? بعد بنزل فيه على المي. Keep it going, keep it going. Up, 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 back to the house. Now it will be Sebastian's turn, okay?
I love your car.
I'm going up.
Yeah, go up, your angel, أنت. Go. Press. Oh, what happened? Because it's heavy on the sand. He can do it, your daddy. He can do it. He's the champion. He can do it. Now it will be Sebastian's turn, okay?
Catch me with a car.
Yeah, no. Now you let him drive.
I'll catch him with the car.
Yeah, you catch him, but let him now first. Let him drive.
Sebastian will catch me with.
But first you let him drive, and then you play the catching game.
Sebastian, he likes catching with the car.
She's okay. But first you let him drive.
Look at mommy.
I can see you. You're such a good driver. Sebastian is chasing you.
I'm dead on the bridge.
That's dangerous. Nathan? No, mommy said no. Did you hear what I said? I said no, not on the bridge, okay? Yeah, the ball.
Why?
Because you have all the space to drive your car, not on the bridge, okay? Good boy, Nathan. You listen to your mama. You're such a good boy. Hip hip.
Hip,
Hip hip.
hey.
Hip hip. Oh wow. Is that my birthday cake, Sophia?
It's daddy's
Nathan.
birthday cake.
No.
Who is it?
Mommy.
It's mommy يا كمال. هيدي كلها poison. هيك القيمة. Yay! And what does mommy look like? Show him mommy's picture. خليه يقول لي شغله. يعطوه بيقول لي. What does mommy look like? Tell me. What does mommy look like? بيجي بيقول لك كل يوم mommy look like a princess. كل يوم.